Today I'm going to show you how to register to Clickfunnels 2.0. First, go to Clickfunnels and select Try for Free on the top right corner. Then enter your full name and email address in the middle. Once done, enter your phone number, card details, and click Start My Free Trial. Then you need to wait for the website to load. On the next page, you have the option to customize your page. And once done, you can go ahead and click Create to finalize the board. Then wait for the board to finish loading. A pop-up menu will appear indicating that your funnel is ready. To proceed, click Add Funnel to My Account. Then install the funnel by clicking the theme you wanted to install it to, then press My Workspace. Wait until the board is being finalized. And once done, you can either press Close or customize the page further by clicking Customize It Now. That is all for Clickfunnels. Thank you for watching.